Are you getting ready to get involved in a child custody case and you're wondering what kind of evidence you need to go out and produce or find? Well, my name is Patrick Slaughter. I'm a family lawyer with LaFevor and Slaughter, and I want to give you some ideas of things you can do to start preparing right now so that you can get the best outcome available to you. The first thing you want to collect is all of your child's school records. If your child's old enough to be enrolled in school, you want copies of those records, every bit of them. If your child is not old enough to be enrolled in school, but maybe they go to daycare, you want those records as well. These records reflect your child's day-to-day living to a certain extent, and they can provide some very valuable information for your case. The next thing you want to collect is your child's doctor and dental records. Again, this will show how your child is faring physically, how your child is thriving, the extent to which you've been involved with your child and taking these appointments. This is invaluable information that you want to be able to get. The next set of information that you want to be able to put together is pictures. Pictures of all kinds of things. You want to show pictures of you and your child together, obviously, but that's easy. You also want to have pictures of your child interacting with their siblings or their step-siblings or their grandparents or other relatives with whom they have a significant relationship and they get to see while they're in your home. You want to get pictures of the children involved in extracurricular activities. If they're a baseball phenom, you want pictures of them playing baseball. If they're an equestrian buff, get pictures of them on the horse. You want to get pictures of your child's room where they're going to be living. You want to get pictures of your home. All these things demonstrate to a judge how your child is being taken care of and what a good job you're doing as a parent. Now, the next set of information you want to get is all the history of the written communication between you and your child's other parent. If you've been exchanging text messages, you want to go through all of those text messages as far back as you can to be able to see, what that is going to reflect. If you've been calling the other person a bad name, that might not help your case. You also want to look for emails. Check and see, hey, we did have an email that talked about us agreeing to this different option with the parenting plan, or we did have this makeup time arrangement. So you want to be able to document all these things. And there's other things you can get, but this will get you on the right foot. The more information you have from independent outside sources or documentary evidence like this, it's real hard to call the veracity of those things into question. It's hard to cross-examine a piece of paper. So this would be a good start. If you're starting to do this and you run into problems or you're wondering what else you might be able to do, feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. I'm happy to talk to you and tell you what your options are. Maybe you're able to settle your case without going to court, but if you're going to court, you don't want to take a chance on not being prepared because you should bet the other person will be. So take the time, get all your ducks in a row, get ready, and that's going to give you the best opportunity for a favorable custody decision.